Guy beg, I need help.
Wetin happen?
I get one delivery with a come, I know the house, help me collect them.
No wahala, where?
I go send location, just collect them, keep for me.
Don't open it here. Okay, bye.
You, stop!
Good afternoon, sir.
Wetin dey inside that bag?
Delivery for my friend, sir.
Open am, wetin dey inside?
I don't know, sir.
Gun, bullets! You be criminal. No, sir! I swear! I no. I beg you, I get murder. Oga, make we investigate first. You dey tell me my work? No be so e go be! Ah! Oga, no!